Welcome back. Continuing the news to St. Thomas now, where a massive protest over road conditions continues. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell was in the parish today.
Day 2 of a massive protest in St. Thomas. Residents angry about the state of the roads. Confrontations between cops and community members. Cops even using pepper spray against this protester. That was one of the residents involved in the protest. The police accusing him of helping to mount the roadblocks and detaining him as a result. Such was the fiery nature of the protest, which saw people out from as early as 5 this morning. Old cars and other debris used to voice their concerns. Long lines of traffic from Grand Spend to as far back as Morant Bay. This left commuters, students and people going about their normal business stranded yet again for hours. One school was also closed. It's the 16th time that the residents are now taking to the streets since the start of the year over poor road conditions.
If you travel from town to even Yalas, it's like somebody use a slave belt and a beat you.
They're angry, they're frustrated, they feel neglected.
On take with water, we no quarrel. On take with life, we still no quarrel, you know. And the road we want, I want. I want to take it, sir. We don't take with sand.
They might use with coffee.
We don't take with coffee. A matter of fact, and I'm saying now, I want to say, are the richest parish in the island. You see me, I say, right there.
We don't make too much money off of St. Thomas. Like St. Thomas people are poor.
And they insist it is not political.
About PMP and labor rights, come here labor rights and me a black it too. It's not about politics, it's about road.
A busy day too for the police.
So when they block it, we'll just have to clear it.
Superintendent Bo Rigaby is the head of the St. Thomas Police. Superintendent Rigaby says the situation was so intense, cops even had to call for a backup.
I'm supporting colleagues coming from a mobile reserve, St. Catherine, South, and other supporting officers in the Area 5.
TVJ News contacted the communications manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, about the road conditions. Mr. Shaw said plans are in place for reconstruction work on the roads, but the money is not there right now to do that. The people are having none of that. They say they will not stop until their issues are addressed. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.